back to another episode of Whorton Outdoors. So this weekend is a little bit different of episode. I'm not out in the woods camping. I want to be, but this is a very special episode. I've been putting out some teaser videos about some changes going to be happening to the Jeep, and today is the day. Today is when Black Betty gets to grow up. So today we are at Toys for Trucks in Little Rock, Arkansas. You might have seen Toys for Trucks in some of Matt McClellan's videos with Ozark Overland Adventures. He's did a lot of work here. So I have a pile of parts in the back of my Jeep. They just took my Jeep to the back. I'm going to video some portions of the lift, but the guys really don't want to be on camera, so we're going to work with them. They're going to work with us about getting some good shots of the lift going on there. But today we are going with 4.5-inch AEV dual rate high capacity springs, and we have a full kit from Rusty's Off-Road. So thank you, Rusty's Off-Road, for sending me out this kit. It's not sponsored. I did pay for it with my own money, but one of the guys that's an affiliate with them hooked me up with a little bit of a discount. So I want to say thank you to Kyle. And today is the day. We're going to get taller. We're going to get a better ride. I've got a HD steering kit as well that's going to go on there, and this is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to get this thing on here, show you this guy's this lift, and then we are going to do the RTI ramp again, and we're going to see if I can flex it out more than what I got last time. So it's marked back there on the RTI ramp from what you guys have seen in the shorts, and I cannot wait to get it on there and see what I can get out of it, and get this thing off-road for you guys and get into some more places. Things are going to be happening with this Jeep in the near future, even more things. We're going to go from lift to gearing, lockers, and an engine. So we've got a whole lot coming. I'm not going to buy a new Jeep. We're going to build this Jeep and make it new. Either way, I'll get back with you guys shortly whenever we get back there to see it going up on the lift and some parts coming off of it. Stick with me, guys. I cannot wait. As you can see, the parts are starting to come off. The springs are gone, and of course we still got to get the upper and lower control arms off and all that to get the new parts on. But they're working with us, letting us come out, getting some video, and there's a little bit of progression. Can't wait till I see it on the ground. Bring you guys back. So guys, I just wanted to bring you back. We're waiting on some parts. We have found that I needed some upper control arm bushings, so that was something that was a surprise. So we're waiting on those to come in, and I just wanted to bring you back and show you what we got so far. I got the rear almost all the way together, and then the front will be shortly. But I wanted to show you, look at these new shocks. Rusty's Off-Road. It's new rear track bar. Here's my new dual rate 4.5 inch AUV springs, dual rate high capacity springs. It's got our new sway bar links right here. And then look at the size of these control arms. Look at the size of those. Look how beefy they are. I highly recommend Rusty's so far. But let's go on the front. These are the new springs for the front. Like I said, they're 4.5 inch springs, dual rate, high capacity springs. Should give me an awesome ride. Look at the size of these control arms. Look how big around those things are. And of course, my other shocks will be up here. They're sitting over there. So I found that my bushings here are not good. So they told me that. We ordered some new ones, and it's on its way. But all right, guys. I'll bring you back here in a little while when we're more complete, and we're gonna show you it on the ground and maybe do a flex out on it. Get back with you guys here in a little bit. So what's up? I'm getting the privilege to ride in a 48 Willys. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. So I've got a little short video of this thing flexing on the RTI ramp as well. I'll probably add that into the video. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna enjoy my ride. Oh, that's freaking sweet. It's not every day you get to come to an off-road store and get your lift put on and get a ride in a 48 Willys that he's pretty much redone all that suspension and really nothing to the motor. He was talking about he didn't really do anything to the motor, but he put the new suspension in there and all that, and that thing rides like a top. That thing's awesome. Thank you, Jim, for taking me and my wife in a ride in your Willys. That thing is sweet. Either way, here it comes. You got to see it again. Look at that thing. That thing is cool. brake going in here too for the alignment. So what's up, guys? Welcome back. It is dark. It is 7:11 right now, and we are finally done. They have stayed late. They have treated us like kings here at Toys for Trucks in Little Rock, Arkansas. Man, this is an awesome place. If you want a lift, if you want tires, wheels, if you want anything, any accessory that you could think of for a Jeep, a Toyota, whatever you're driving, Bronco, whatever you're driving, they've got it here. So I'm going to show you. Look at all this stuff in the store right there. They've stayed late. They close at 5:30. They close at 5:30. They've stayed late to make sure my Jeep is right. And we've had issues along the day that we've had to fix. I've had to video what I could video because some people don't want to be on camera, so I want to respect their wishes. So I hope I've got a good video for you. I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to show you this Jeep. Look how much taller this Jeep is. This thing, now yes, I'm sorry, it's dark, but you have to see a difference. So I got some new lights, pod lights right there. Those are some Harbor Freight lights, man. They're 7,500 lumens per light. That's not what we're here for. Look at those springs. 4.5-inch AEV dual rate high capacity springs, Rusty's performance shocks with some awesome down travel. Look at the size of those control arms. Look at the height of this thing. Look at those shocks, springs. Either way, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Tomorrow night here in Little Rock, Arkansas, from 6 to 9 p.m. they're going to be having a light show, a lighting show for, it could be low riders, it could be Jeeps, it could be whatever you got that you got lit up. They're having a $25 entry fee. They're going to be giving away some prizes, some other lighting and stuff like that. If you're in Little Rock, Arkansas, come by and check it out. It's free to come to look at the show. Like I said, if you want to put your vehicle in, it's $25. But come check out Toys for Trucks. Awesome group of guys. I can't speak enough about them. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've seen anything on my Jeep that you like, that you want to look into getting, Topoak rooftop tents, Openroad products, anything of the sort, check all my links down in the description. I probably got a discount code. Either ways, guys, I'm going to get home. We are way late. Grandma's going to be mad. Get the kids. But until next time, I will see you guys then. Get off the couch, guys. Don't be a couch potato. Get out and do some overlanding.